Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be trying out some lipstick shades for you guys. So I got these mini lipstick shades and they are from this brand called Just Herbs, and I wanted to figure out which lipstick shade am I liking, so then I could kind of go ahead and buy that. And I did figure that out and I did get the bigger one, and you'll be able to see this like unboxing and everything of this on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram as well, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more content around skincare and makeup and hair care. A lot of more hair care content is what I'm really gravitating towards, because I feel like a lot of people want to know about hair care products. So that is what I am going to be doing soon. But in today's video, let me review these lipsticks. Okay, I don't know why they did this, but this is how they have named it, which is like very nude. So what I will be doing is I will just put the name of the shade on the screen somewhere, and I will just try on the shade because I don't know what shade it is. Like, see, some of them I know, like this one is cinnamon spice, then this one is very nude, and I think 3 of them have lost their names, and yeah, so we'll talk about that as we go through with it. So 2 of them are more in the pinkish brown shades, and the other 3, they are more on the browner, they are more on the brownish shades. So no, I think these 2 are the pinky ones, sorry. So these 2 are the pinker shades, and the other 3 that I got, these are the brownish, like more of the brown, like brown color is there. Now this exact product like this, if you want the sample kit, I will leave a link to this in the description box below, so you can go check it out. And I'm just going to try them in no order because I can't even genuinely keep them. I'm just like dropping them like tablets. So this one shade from Just Herbs is a nice. So firstly, all the shades are good, okay? All of them are more like in the earthy tones and more neutral colors. I think it just depends person to person, what shade are you preferring. Okay, so this is this shade. The name is going to be on the screen somewhere here, and yeah, I do love this shade as well, but I feel like I do have a couple of other shades which are similar to this one. But yeah, like if you just wanted my opinion as to how this particular lipstick shade looks, I love it, and the formulation is really lightweight. It is the tiniest bit powdery, but it's almost like non-understandable, or what is it called, like non-traceable, non-detectable. But yeah, I think because I am a skincare formulator, I can like feel it, like I can feel the oxides. But otherwise it's a great product. It does, when you apply it, it glides on really smoothly, and then it takes some time to kind of dry out. And yeah, I think it does become transfer proof in some time. Right now it's not, but I think it really does become not like maybe 100% transfer proof, but it will not like easily transfer like some of the creamy lipsticks which are there, like the bullet lipsticks, they transfer easily. I don't think this one transfers as easily. The transfer is still there. So okay, these are not transfer proof. I'm not gonna call them transfer proof because I don't even think on the website they themselves had mentioned it was transfer proof. But yeah, so on to the next shade. This is the next shade, and let me show you how this looks. Okay, now I think this is more in the pinker shade. It's more of a brighter color. So this is a color I believe I would apply in the morning, or like on some heavy Indian dress of sorts. Actually, I do like this color as well. Now that I think I should not have purchased only one, I should have purchased more, because I think I like all of them in hindsight. Yeah, and this is the next color. Another thing I want to mention is when you are applying these lipsticks, make sure that you're applying a lip balm first, because they can kind of dry your lips out a little bit, just a little bit, and that's normal, that's common. I think it's high time we understand that all these ingredients in skincare, they like if you want to make something matte, it's going to make your lips matte, and the way to do that is by sort of absorbing or removing excess moisture or oiliness, because oily things are going to, you know, erase things. Like your oil cleansers or your butters or whatever you have, anything oily is going to wipe off the makeup. If it's oil soluble, it's gone. So you cannot have like the best of both, or like every world, like, which is what I think every brand is trying to do. They're trying to, you know, give you every single thing that you want in just one product, and sadly that is not how it should work. So if you feel like certain products, you know, they are not staying on your lips, or they are not, you know, doing something, like they are not the ultimate perfect lipstick or whatever skincare product, it's fine. You don't, like, you know, don't go behind that, because the more you try to chase that, you are going to go towards like very synthetic products. You know what I'm saying? Now, nextly, let's try this one. This does have like a small crack over here, but it was not there when I purchased it. I'm pretty sure it is because of me, and because like I mishandled this thing. Yeah, and this is more, I feel, like a brownie brown, like, yeah. So if you are someone who likes like a nice brown lipstick or a lip gloss, I think this shade you are absolutely going to love. And I think this shade will go really well if you are wearing like a brown or a cream, something of that sort, and you are pairing it up with gold jewelry and accessories. I think this shade will go really well, even if you have like an Indian wear that you're wearing, daytime, nighttime, whatever. I think the shade is really good for that. Although I don't think it's my shade, I feel like, I don't know, let me know if you think this shade, like how it's looking on me. I'm not too sure if I'm kind of like loving it, but yeah, I do like it. Now here's the thing, all these shades are nudes, right? So if you are someone who likes nude colors on your lips, which is I think most of us, because it's easy to carry nude lipsticks. Like if you want to, you know, have like a maroon lipstick or like a plum color, or you know, something like that, it's not easy. And if you like can do it, it's really good, but yeah, not everybody can. I can't. So I try to always sort of, you know, stick with nudes. And if you're doing like a full face of makeup with like a lot of foundation and this and that and whatever, you have a eye thing going on, you want people to focus on your eyes, just keep your lips you know, with like more of the muted colors or nude colors. Don't go in with very flashy colors, because that will make you just look not right. Sorry, this is the next color which I am trying. And I did like this color as well. Let me just show you. Now this is a great color for someone who can pull it off and who has this vibe to them. You know what I'm saying? Like, can you see how this color is looking? It's looking really good on like my skin, and I am like a medium-ish person, like, you know, in terms of skin tone. So it's looking good on me, and I think it will look good on most people if this is the kind of vibe you are going for. I don't think this is my vibe at all. I don't think this color is for me, unless like, you know, I'm like experimenting with some like very different look for some like some random video. But yeah, it's a great color, just not for me. And then we have this color, which, can you see, it's over, it's almost over. And even if I try to scrape it off, nothing really comes out. And this one is my favorite one. Let me show you. I think this is like the perfect nude-ish color for me. Okay, and yeah, if like a lot of days I feel like wearing brown, but I don't want to wear like the warmer brown colors. I want to wear something more like muted and something that's more on the cooler tone. And yeah, this is what I have been loving. And yeah, this is the shade I actually ended up buying in this one. If you want to see like, you know, like my review or whatever about this, like this the same lip shade, which is this one. But if you want to know more about the packaging and pricing and everything, just follow me on Instagram. I'll talk about this there. But yeah, these were the lipsticks from Just Herbs, and honestly, they are really, really, really good. I didn't expect them to be so good when I purchased them. I just purchased them for like some, because I really needed them quick, so I purchased them, I think, from Amazon, or was it Swiggy? I don't know. I think from Amazon. I'll share the link with you in the description, so you can check it out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please do subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.